Some pensioners in Westmoreland are unable to collect their benefits due to lost documents from Hurricane Melissa. Jamaica Maitland explains.
It's been a month since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, but a lifetime upended for 74-year-old Joseph Murdoch. We met Mr. Murdoch in Darliston, Westmoreland 3 weeks ago. Now, he's in much better spirit.
The speed him see up on TV, man. He say, yes, man. Everybody at tell me say they see me on TV. I say, what? Some of them I say, you big up, no, man.
However, Mr. Murdoch revealed the challenges he now faces to get his pension benefits.
The book gone with the stamp. I suppose them to get that little money, the 15th of the month gone. The book gone. I have the ID with me. And my NIS in my pocket here. I don't know how people. I have to go back Monday go try them. If they give me, take it. If they don't not going to give me, they're supposed to send me to the scheme, the housing trust of Sablaman, and said they could work it out for me.
The Darliston Post Office directed him to the National Insurance Scheme's office in Savlamar. They could not help him there either. Disappointed, Mr. Murdoch said he was turned away because he did not have his pension book. Good Samaritan Denisha Gardner has been assisting him.
Oh Lord, he helped me in every way I turn. If I'm hungry, food, you understand? A young girl, but you know already.
On the chair of her frameless, wall-less, roofless home is where they stay in the days to clear up and rebuild. At nights, it's scary.
But the main focus is, I don't want to try to get back the fall cover and the bar. And then after that now, anything we make, we try bring it to the hardware.
TVJ News reached out to the Ministry of Labour and Social Security to find out how pensioners like Mr. Murdoch can receive benefits despite lost documents. However, we did not receive a response up to news time. A representative, however, committed to providing a response at a later date. But a highly placed source at the ministry told our news team that there were delayed pension payments following the hurricane's passage. Issues that relate to identity verification because of lost documents still exist. The Accountant General Department is issuing life certificates through a mobile initiative following the hurricane. The certificates, usually requested every quarter, provide proof of life so the pensioner can continue receiving benefits. 3 parishes and 1 municipality have been scheduled for the first rollout. However, none of the most affected parishes are on the list. The AGD says there will be another rollout soon. As for pensioners like Mr. Murdoch, the assistance is not coming soon enough. He relies on care packages from the government or passers-by to keep him going.
I get a little rice in one packet down there this morning, but it's gone, you know, so I go check out when I'm done.
And with November's pension payment gone uncollected, Mr. Murdoch is hoping December will be better. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.